What's up, you guys? Today we're doing a little office upgrade. Recently, I've been doing all my work on this tiny laptop. This thing right here, this thing is about, I don't even know how many inches it is, but it's small and I can't see that well, so I'm always like real close to the screen, you know, and it hurts my eyes. I need something bigger, so I went ahead and ordered the BenQ, was it PD3205U monitor. It just came in the mail. And then I got a new keyboard and mouse setup, and I'm still waiting on my Mac Mini M4 to come in, and I'll make another video when that comes in reviewing that and whatnot, but let's just get to it. So currently this is my little mini office setup. This is just where I can kind of get away and do my computer work. It's really small. So, and here's all my camera gear. So here's all the stuff I bought so far. This is my BenQ PD3205U 32-inch monitor, 4K monitor. What's up, Bendy? Come say hi. I also got the KM100A Proto Arc keyboard and mouse. I got the Samsung T7 external SSD 2 terabyte, and then a little dongle thing to, you know, SD cards and whatnot. So I will be doing like a review on this monitor. It's not like a new monitor. I think it's been out for a couple years now, but the price has dropped since it first came out, and I think it's an amazing monitor. Usually me personally, I do like hours of research watching YouTube reviews on stuff before I buy, especially bigger purchases like a monitor and stuff like that, and also like budget friendly. I'm not gonna go drop a couple $1,000s on a monitor yet. Maybe if that was like my full-time job, but clearly I think you saw the uniform in the back. I'm in the military right now, so I don't do much computer work other than making my own videos for YouTube and editing them. So I think this one is great for now. I will be coming out with a review soon on everything about this monitor, and then this video is just gonna kind of be, I guess, a little vlog, set up my new office upgrade with me at Dealio. Let's get to it, huh? Let's get this bad boy opened up. Upon first opening the box, you got some cords, all right? So right here you got a little slip. I don't know if you can see that. What this is, I think it's that color calibration, which is super cool. I was looking for a real color accurate like monitor. You know, like you'll be color grading on one screen and then everyone on their phones are on a different screen. It's like way more blue or green or whatever it is. So I think upon my research, I think this is a very color accurate monitor, and this is kind of proof, I guess, if you trust BenQ at all. I mean, this whole thing could be a lie, who knows? And I'm just joking, hopefully not. But you know, there's your color calibration report, and which is cool because sometimes you gotta do that manually with some monitors, but this one comes, I think, pretty fair for the price you pay right out of the box. So we're gonna leave that there for now. I also got some cords. I think this is a display, this is a USB-A to, what is this? I think this is the power cord for it. Never mind, that's this thing. This looks like a USB-A to some kind of thing, I don't know. HDMI, these are DisplayPort to DisplayPort. And this is a USB-C to C, the longest looking cable, but I think it'll do for my setup. What is this? Quick start manual, instructions, little card, okay. Back panel for the monitor. Here's the stand. Ooh, that's heavy. Nice heavy stand. This is full metal right here. Got a little logo right there. Toolless to do. You just flip this little tab up, then twist your stand in, then flatten it. This is nice. This is real heavy. Oh, here's a little hotkey puck, kind of whatever. This is that little knob thing with your little preset buttons to twist it for, I think, brightness, I'm assuming. What kind of directions are those? Those are hands that say grab this and pull apart. Do I just rip this thing apart? Seems real nice and sturdy. It's actually pretty heavy. I think I like it just because, you know, heavy stuff is real quality, right? So I'm assuming this goes like this. This clips into the back and you can go up and down somehow. Oh yeah, shoot. I'll figure that out in a bit. Let's actually, what would be, I don't know. Okay, so the monitor, I want to figure out what's first. Do I connect the monitor to the neck first, then the plate? Let's take a look here, huh? Shall we? Quick start guide. Oh, sorry for looking at my feet. I should just blur those dogs out, huh? Shoot. Okay. So per instruction, it says to rip this open. Just like this. Oh, gosh dang it, dude. I don't have enough room. Scoot this forward a bit. So per the instructions, it says to connect the back of the thing to the plate first, screw it in, then connect it to the thing, then use that as to like lift it up, then stand it up. So we'll do that. So here it is. This thing is sweet, and it's definitely gonna help my eyes out because I've been working on such a small laptop. But so you can tilt it back and forth. You can push it down or up, which is super nice. It says do not tear. It is normal for your monitor. Don't know what that means. So this is it. This thing is sick, dude. I love it. I can definitely sit here and I got so much like to look at, you know what I mean? It'll be so much better on my eyes, and especially with editing on a small laptop, like a tiny laptop, where you have to scroll back and forth just to see your timeline. I can put the whole timeline right here if I want to. Say hi to the cat. I just had to change the battery for that camera. It was about to die. Do I know which cord to use? No, I want to do USB-C, or I might just save that for when my Mac Mini comes. I might just do HDMI right now, depending on what my laptop takes. I think it actually, definitely not HDMI. Oh, I see an HDMI. But I wonder if I can just use the Type-C. I wonder if that would matter. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time reading a little bit and then get back to y'all. So I'm back. I just kind of plugged it in and whatnot. Got the cords running down the back real quick, and I'm also going to be unboxing this keyboard and mouse little setup. It's not the most expensive. I think I paid like 65 bucks or 50 bucks. I don't even know. It's around 50 bucks for this thing. I know it wasn't that much. What is this? What's up, Howard? What is this? To ensure you have our contact information handy, we've included a sticker for you to peel and stick on the back of your product. Here's the man. This is nice. It's really nice packaging, actually. I like it. Oh, shoot. Manual, quick start, rubber cover, I guess. And then the keyboard. This is like kind of like the Mac keyboards. You're used to typing on a Mac or whatever. It's nothing crazy. Here's a keyboard I want, and it feels really good to type on it, and it sounds really good, but it's like 180 bucks or something crazy. I'm like, I'm not spending $200 on a keyboard. I just can't do it. Maybe one day, but not right now. There it is. You can connect this to 3 different computers at once, and then the mouse. The mouse is weird, really small. I don't know how I'm gonna like this. I might end up using my other one still, but we'll obviously test it out. I don't even know what this button's for, but we'll figure it all out. So let me get this set up and I'll be back. This is really nice. I love this monitor. I put on some 4K footage just so you guys can see. Even just getting really close, you can't see the pixels. This is so nice. It's like my own little mini TV in here, dude. I love this. Well, that kind of wraps up today's video. I just wanted you guys to see me unbox a couple things, upgrade my thing, because you seen that laptop that I'm running it off of is tiny and it strains my eyes so bad. So having this big monitor definitely helps a lot, and I love it. It's literally like a TV. So I'll probably be spending a lot more time in here and be a lot more enjoyable editing videos. Wow. Honestly, if you want any of this gear, the lights, the key light that I'm using, the monitor, the mic, the camera I'm using, I'll leave everything linked down below for you guys to get. Please check it out. I love this gear, honestly. It's not the cheapest, but honestly, like, pay for what you get most of the time, and if you save up for a little bit longer to get the better thing, it's definitely going to last you longer. It's going to do you a lot better, so I definitely recommend that. I'll also leave a couple other things linked, like this is the DJI Mic 2. I know they just came out with the Mini, which is like half the price. I think the only difference is the Minis don't film in 32-bit float. There might be a couple other tech differences. I haven't looked into it too much yet, but yeah, but just enjoy this with me first while we exit this video. Honestly, I just can't wait to get this monitor hooked up with my Mac Mini that's coming in the mail soon. Oh, I'm so stoked on that. But till then, hope you enjoyed this random, no script, no point video of me just upgrading my little office area.